So this is my iPhone XR, which is my daily driver phone. And a few weeks ago, the charging port on it decided to become faulty. So today I'm going to be replacing the charging port, putting a new battery in it, and even doing a bit of an upgrade to it by putting a dual SIM card reader in it instead of the single SIM card. Let's get into it. So first we're going to start by using the P2 pentalobe screwdriver and unscrewing the bottom screws. Here's one screw. First problem we encountered, this screw doesn't want to come off, so I'm going to have to buy a replacement. But for the meantime, I'll use some pliers. In fact, let's try just shoving some blue tack on it. Why isn't this working? Okay, so after half an hour's work with my dad, the screw is now out, so I've ordered some new ones, so the phone won't be quite back together tonight, but I can start work on it, or get it working, of course. Right, so first I'm going to have to use a heat gun warm up the display, warm up the adhesive so that I can actually get the display off. That's all it should really need. It's decently warm to the touch. So now I'm just gonna try and pull it open, I guess. I can feel it moving. Maybe a bit more. jeez. Jeez, this phone's hard to get into. Good thing I bought these tools. Maybe a little bit more neat. Oh ho ho. It's open. Finally. Good. Right, well now I can use another one of Apple's stupid proprietary screwdrivers. I'm just going to grab a saucer so that I don't lose any of these screws. Right. Okay, let's put that in there. And I'll use a spudger to get this out. There we go. Now one more for here. There we go. Now this can hopefully just be unclipped. And there we go. That's the display. now I can get to removing the battery. So, there's this. This uses a lot of Y screws. Right, now no, that's a capacitor, not a connector. I think these are the pull tabs here. Might be a good idea for me to just remove the Taptic engine. That's under all these screws. The thing for it. So with these hidden screws in here. I hate all of these stupid connectors.
Well, that's it for this video. Part 2 will be out in the next week or 2 weeks. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Remember to like, share this video with your friends, comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.